powerful training system. Led by celebrity martial arts coach Lee Dawson. Start your transformation journey today. Fat loss. Start burning fat for many hours after each session. Fitness and flexibility. Levels you've never dreamed of. Enjoy achieving your goals. Boost confidence. Handle any situation that you might come across with total confidence. Are you over 40? And tired of feeling stiff, sluggish, or out of shape? The truth is this: you don't need a gym, brutal workouts, or a personal trainer. You need a system that's built for you, your joints, your time, your energy levels, and your real life. That's exactly why we've created Fighting Fit After 40 TM. An at-home training blueprint that combines martial arts conditioning, strength, mobility, and confidence-building drills you can do in your living room, even if you're starting from zero. Lesson 1: Basics from Dave Vickers on Vimeo. Sean Phillips, CEO Fitness First PLC. I've known Lee for 28 years. He's not just an elite performer, he's an elite performer that other elite performers go to for training. What Fighting Fit After 40 will do for you: increase energy, strength and mobility. Move with confidence, not stiffness. Feel safer, stronger, and more capable. Lose weight without beating up your joints. Improve balance, prevent falls. Build real functional strength. Stress-proof your mind and body. Finally feel proud of the way you move. Chris Davies, CEO GM Publications. Lee is a perfectionist and a master in his field. His humility always shines through, making his students feel so important and valued. Why this works? Fighting Fit After 40 is created by Lee Dawson. 3 black belts. 30+ years in fitness and combat training. Former coach to Dolph Lundgren during the Expendables. Former coach to the UK Gladiators. Former UK gym ambassador. Expert training in adults 40, 50, 60+ safely and effectively. My speciality is teaching real fitness to real people, not elite athletes. If you can stand, sit, or move your arms, you can do this, with amazing results. Start my Fighting Fit journey. Price and billing. Your membership is just $9.99 per month. Billed automatically every 30 days, cancel anytime with a couple of clicks, no contracts, no surprises. What's included? Follow along home workouts. Standing, floor, and chair-based routines. Strength, mobility, balance, and fat loss training. Beginner, intermediate and gentle options. Real-time coaching and support inside our private school community. New videos and updates every month. Get instant access now. 60-day guarantee. If you're not thrilled with your results, simply email us within 60 days and we'll refund your purchase, no questions asked. Support. If you need help with your order or membership, email us at leedawson781@gmail.com. We're here to help. Fighting Fit After 40. Get ready to rumble with this all-in-one bundle. Beginner's Self-Defense, Future Fit HIIT, Future Fit and Performance Stretch, all with unlimited access. All this for only $9.99 month. Get instant access now. ClickBank is the retailer of this product. ClickBank Registered is a registered trademark of ClickSales Incorporated, a Delaware corporation located at 1444 South Entertainment Avenue, Suite 410, Boise, Idaho, 83709 USA, and used with permission. ClickBank's role as retailer does not constitute an endorsement, approval, or review of this product or any claim, statement or opinion used in promotion of this product.